Hello everyone, welcome to Python application programming lecture series. In this lecture video, we are going to discuss about regular expression and character matching in regular expressions. Searching for required pattern and extracting only the lines or word matching the pattern is very common task in solving the programming programmatically. So we have done such task earlier using string slicing and string methods like split and find functions. As the task searching and extracting is very common, Python provides a powerful library called regular expression or RE to handle these tasks elegantly. Through they have quite complicated syntax, they provide a efficient way of searching the patterns. The regular expressions are themselves little program to search the parse string. To use them in our program, the library or module RE must be imported. There is a search function in this module which is used to find the particular substring within a string. So let's consider one example. So here I am importing the module, and module is regular expression RE. So after that I am going to open my file. The file I name it as cec.txt. So here I am going to declare one loop, for loop. So line is my loop variable. So here I am calling uh, file name f, and so after that I'm using rstrip function. The use case of this function or method is it returns the string. So it returns the string without space. So after that, here I am declaring one condition. So here I am declaring if condition. So here I am calling module RE. After that I am going to invoke the search function search. So here I am passing how how of line. So here I am going to print the line. So in the above program, the search function is used to search the lines containing a word how. So here, so this is the output. So this is my file. I name it as cec.txt. This is my text file. The first line content is hello, how are you, and second line is how about you. So here I am going to search the how. So in first iteration the pattern is match. The interpreter will print the entire line. So here the matching keyword is how. Here I am passing how. So here the keyword is matching. So interpreter will print the entire line after first iteration. So in next iteration, second iteration, so Python interpreter will iterate the second line. If pattern is match, the interpreter will print the entire line. So here the how is the matching word. So pattern is matching, so interpreter will print the entire line. So the output would be, if you run this code, the output would be hello, how are you, and how about you. One can observe that the previous program is not much difference from the program that use find function of string, but regular expression make use of special character which specify meaning in the example. So we make use of caret symbol which indicates beginning of the line. So let's modify the previous program. So here I am importing the regular expression module. So here I am opening the file, and file name is cec.txt. So here I declare the loop for, and loop variable I name it as line in and. So and is my file name. So after that I am going to use the R strip line. It returns the string without space. So here I am declaring one condition. So here I am going to uh, search the how. I am going to search the how of line. So here I am using caret symbol. So if you print this, if you print the line, the Python interpreter will print the how about you. But my file content have two lines, but here the interpreter will print only the one line. So here we have searched for the line which start with the string how. So this use case of this is indicate the starting of the string. So again this program will not make use of regular expression fully, because the above program would have been written using a string function start with ends. In the Let's try these two programs in Python interpreter. So here I am importing module. The module is regular expression, RE. So here after that I am going to open the file. I name it as cec.txt. So here this is my text file cec. The file content is hello, how are you, and next line is how about you. So this is my file content, and file name is cec. So after that I am going to declare one for loop. So loop name I name it as line, and here I am calling my file f and so colon, and this is the syntax. So here after that I am going to use the built-in function rstrip. The use case of this function is it returns the string without space after or before. So here I am invoking I am calling the variable line. After that I am going to invoke the built-in function rstrip. So here I declare one condition if here I am calling regular expression. After that I am going to invoke the search function. Here I am passing the word is how. So finally I am going to print the line. So if you run this code, the Python interpreter after first iteration the interpreter will print the first line if the pattern is match. If pattern is match. So here the pattern is how. So otherwise its interpreter is not going to print the first line. So in next iteration, if pattern is match, the interpreter will print the second line, otherwise it's not going to print the second line. So just to run this, the Python interpreter will print the first line hello, how are you, and again after second iteration the interpreter will print the how about you. So here the first line the pattern is matching. So here our pattern word is how, and again the next iteration again pattern is matching, the word is how. So that's what the Python, if pattern is matching, the Python interpreter will print the entire lines. So here hello, how are you, and how about you. So just to modify this code, so here I am using caret symbol. The use case of this caret symbol is the beginning of the string. So it's identify the beginning of the string. So this is the pattern. So here, so just to run this. So Python interpreter will print only the second line how about you, because so the pattern is caret how. So this indicates the beginning of the string. So here the keyword is how. So this is the first line. So here first word is hello. So pattern is not matching. That's why interpreter is not print the first line. And after second iteration, the pattern is matching here. So beginning of the word is "ow." So that's what the Python interpreter will print the entire second line "ow about you." Now we will look into character matching in regular expression. The Python provides a list of meta character to match such strings. The table shows the detail of the few important meta characters, some of the example of quick and easy understanding of the regular expressions. So this is the table. So here character is caret, and this is a symbol. The use case of this caret is, the meaning of this caret is matching beginning of the line. The next character is dollar, and this is a symbol. The meaning of the dollar is matches end of the line. Dot character, the meaning of this dot character is matches any single character except new line. Using option M, then new line also can be matched. So here, and next character is square bracket, and within the square bracket we are using dot. The meaning of this is matches any single character in bracket, so here caret and dot, the meaning of this is the matches any single character not in bracket. So re star, the meaning of this is the matches 0 or more occurrence of preceding expression. So re plus matches one or more occurrence of preceding expressions, and re question mark is the meaning of this character is matches 0 or 1 occurrence of preceding expression. Re of n, here we are using curly braces, and the meaning of this character is matches exactly n number of occurrence of preceding expression. So re curly brace of n comma, the meaning of this character is matches n or more occurrence of preceding expression. And next character is re curly brace of n comma m, the meaning of this is the matches at least n and at most m occurrence of preceding expression. A or B is the character. The use case of this is it matches either A or B. And RE within the normal brace, the use case of this character is groups regular expression and remains matched text. So /d, the meaning of this character is matches digits equivalent to 0 to 9. So slash uppercase D, it matches non-digits. Slash W lowercase, the meaning of this character is matches word character, and uppercase W, the meaning of this character is matches non-word character. Slash S lowercase s, the meaning of this character is matches white space equivalent to slash t, slash n, or slash r, or slash f. So uppercase S, the meaning is the matches non-white space. Slash A, uppercase A, it matches beginning of string. Slash Z, uppercase Z, it matches end of the string. If a new line exists, it matches just before new line. So slash Z lowercase, it matches end of string. So slash B is the lowercase. The meaning of this character is the matches the empty string, but only at the start or end of a word. So slash B, uppercase B, the use case of this is matches the empty string, but not at the start or end of the word. And normal brace, the meaning of this character is when parentheses are added to a regular expression, they are ignored for the purpose of matching but allow you to extract a particular subset of the matched string rather than the whole string when using find function. So here just you consider one expression. The expression is, so here we are using uppercase P and lowercase p we specified within the square bracket and Python. So this expression description is it matches the Python uppercase or lowercase. So let's consider another expression RUB of YE. So it matches Ruby, RUBY Ruby or RUBE Ruby. So it matches the Ruby or Ruby. So let's consider one more expression AEIOU. So we specified within the square bracket. The description of this expression is the match any one lowercase vowel. So here 0 to 9, the description of this expression is match any digit same as 0 to 9. So here next one is A to Z. So the description of this expression is match any lowercase ASCII letter, and here A to Z are the uppercase. The description of this expression is match any uppercase ASCII letters. So next one is A to Z lowercase and again A to Z uppercase and 0 to 9. So all these things we specified we enclosed with the square braces. The description of this expression is match any of uppercase or lowercase alphabets and digits. So the next one is the caret AEIOU. So we enclosed with the square bracket. The description is the match anything other than a lower vowel. The next one is cap 0 to 9. The description of this expression is match anything other than a digits. Let's try some of the meta character and some expression in Python interpreter. So here I am importing a regular expression module RE. So this is my string I stored into str. My string is Python provides a powerful library. So this is my string. So here I am using find all function. So within the parenthesis I am going to pass the a of a comma string. So after that I am going to print the res. So this Python code it gives the number of occurrence in a. So for example here this is my string. Python provides a powerful library. Here number of a's are this is the first one and this is the second one. So if you run this code, the Python interpreter will print the number of a's. So number of a's available in my strings is a and a. So if you say just you modify this. So if you say Python, so here I am using find all function. If you run this code, the Python interpreter will print the Python. So Python is enclosed with the square braces. So here I am using find all function and here I am passing the Python. So Python it's there in my string. So that's what the Python interpreter will print the Python. So Python enclosed with the square braces. So just to modify this. So here I am going to use the caret character. The use case of the caret character is matches the beginning of the string. So if pattern is matches, the interpreter will print the word. So run this. So it will print the Python. So here here I'm using caret with powerful. So we know that the caret caret symbol meaning is matching. Use case of this is matching beginning of the lines. So if you run this, the Python interpreter is not going to print the anything, so it will print the empty, it will print the empty list. So if you use the dollar symbol here, if you use the dollar symbol, the use case of the dollar symbol is it matches end of the lines. So just you run this, so it will print the empty list. So because the powerful is not end of my string, so instead of powerful, so here so just you use the libraries. So libraries is my last word of my string. So Python interpreter will print the libraries. So here pattern is matching, so that's what the Python interpreter will print the libraries. So this is the use case of the dollar symbol. So here I'm using provide pro. After that I'm going to use the dot character. I'm using 4 dot character. So use case of this dot is matching any single character except new line using option M, then new line also can be matched. So here, so 4 dot will print the V, I, D and E. So just you run this, so it will print the provide. So if you want to print the previous alphabets, so here you can specify the dot character. So just you say, so here I am specifying the 4 dot, so it will print the 4 alphabets before PRO, and after PRO it's going to print the 4 alphabets. So run this, so it will print HON space PROVIDE. So this is the use case of the dot. So if you so just you say O, after that I am going to use the star. So use case of the star is matches 0 or more occurrence of the preceding expression. So it will print the number of O's. So run this, so it will print space, and whenever O alphabets are there, so it will print as it is. So number of O's are, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So here if you use the slash s, so it will print the use case of the slash s is the matches white space equivalent to. So run this, it will print the number of white spaces. So number of spaces are in my strings are, this is the first one, second, third and fourth. So you can cross verify here, this is the first one space, and this is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So this is the use case of the slash s. So if you say slash d, so it will returns the digit. So run this, so it will print the empty list, because because there is no digit here. So just you modify my string. Let me modify my string. So here 1 2 3 4 5 5. Now you run this. Now you run this. So it will print the 1 2 3 4 5. So use case of the slash d, it returns the digit. So if you say slash d uppercase, so it will returns the it will uh, it will returns the alphabets except digits. So run this. So it will return the uh, alphabets except letters. So it returns the space also. So this is the use case of the slash uppercase d. So if you say w lowercase, the use case of this is matches word character. So run this. So word characters are, so it will print as it is as per word. So here this is the first word is 1 2 3 4 5, next is p y t h. So it will print the entire string in terms of word. This is the use case of the w. So these are some examples of the meta characters usage. Most commonly used meta character is dot, which matches any character. Consider one example where the regular expression is for searching lines which start with I, and as any character represented by two dots, and then as a character m. So here this is the Python code. Here I am importing the regular expression, and after that I am going to open the text file cet.txt, and file variable I name it as fn, and this is my for loop, and loop variable I name it as line in. Here I am calling my loop variable, specifying my loop variable fn, and here I am declaring one condition. If re.search, here I am using caret, and I uppercase I, 2 dot, after that I am specifying m. So this is the pattern, comma line. So I am going to print the line. So if you run this, the Python interpreter will print the I space am doing fine. So my file content is cec.txt. This is my first line, and this is my second line, and third line string is I am doing fine. So this is the third line. So Python after first iteration, the pattern is not matching, so Python interpreter is not going to print the first one. So in second line the pattern is not going to match, so interpreter will not going to print the second line. So in third iteration the pattern is matching. So because the string is, the line content is I am doing fine. So this is the third line content. So here my pattern is I 2 dot am. So here pattern is matching. So that's what Python interpreter will print the third line. So note that the regular expression caret I dot 2 dots am not only matches I am, but it can matches ISDM. So here, so dot and ISDM are I star 3 m and so on. That is, between I and m there can be any two character. So this is the use case of the dot dot character. In the previous program, we knew that there are exactly two character between I and am, hence we could able to give a two dots. But when we don't know the exact number of character between two characters or string, so we make use of the dot and plus symbols together. So let's consider the one particular program. So here I'm going to search I'm going to search H. Here I am using dot and plus operator and plus operator, and at the end I am specify the U of line. So here just you observe the regular expression caret H dot plus U here. So it indicates that the string should be starting with H and ending with the U, and there may be by any numbers of dot and plus character in between. So this is my file cc.txt, and file content is hello, how are you, how about you, and I am doing fine. So here I am importing a regular expression, and here opening my file cc.txt, and this is my loop. Here I am declaring condition. So condition is the first character should be h and end with u. So after first iteration the pattern is not matching, so interpreter is after first iteration the pattern is matching. The first letter is h and end letter is u, so it will print the hello, how are you. So after next iteration the pattern is matching, first letter is h and end one is u, so it will print as it is. And after third iteration the first letter is I and end letter is E, so pattern is not matching, so Python interpreter is not going to print the third line. So Python interpreter will print only the hello, how are you and how about you. So this is the use case of the dot and plus operators. To understand the behavior of few basic meta characters, we will see some examples. The file used for the example is mbox:short.txt. This is the txt file which can be downloaded from www.p4e.com. So this is the link. So here we can download the text file. So the text file name is mbox:short.txt file. This is the text file. So use this as a input and try the following example. So here pattern to extract the line starting with the word from. So here F is the uppercase, R from. So here F is the lowercase, and end with the edu. So we are going to extract the string starting with from, whether it's a uppercase or lowercase, and end with the edu. So here first we have to import we have to extract this particular string. First we have to import the module regular expression. After that we have to open the file. The file name is mbox:short. This is the text file, and I name it as file variable, I name it as fn, and this is my iteration, and this is my pattern. The condition is I want to extract from starting with from and end with edu. So here I am using caret symbol. So within a square bracket I am specifying the uppercase F and lowercase f rom dot. After that I am using star, and end letter is edu, so ended with dollar symbol. So here I am declaring one condition, if re search pattern comma pattern comma line. So if after that I am going to print the line. So here the pattern given for the regular expression is indicates that the line should start with either from the f is uppercase or from, then there may be a 0 or more character, and later the line should end with edu. So if you run this code, the Python interpreter will print only the matched pattern. So output would be starting with from and ended with edu. Let's see some more pattern. So for example, this is the pattern. This is the pattern. So here pattern is equal to 0 to 9 dollar. The use case of this pattern is the pattern is to extract the line ending with any digit. So this is indicate, so 0 to 9. So here digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The use case of this symbol, dollar symbol, is matches end of the string. So let's consider one more pattern. So this is the pattern here. The pattern is equal to caret. So after that I am open the square braces. Again I am using caret symbol, and this is the, here I am using a is the lowercase, to z is the uppercase, and again 0 to 9. Here I am closing the bracket. After that I am using plus operator. So this is the pattern. This is the meta character pattern. So here the first caret indicates we want something to match in the beginning of a line. Then the caret inside the square bracket indicates do not match any single character within the bracket. So hence the whole meaning would be the line must be started with anything other than a lowercase alphabets and digits. In other words, the line should not start with the lowercase alphabets and digits. So if you want to start with the uppercase letter and end with the digit, and this is the pattern. The pattern is caret a to z uppercase. After that I am using dot, and again star 0 to 9 dollar. So here the line should start with capital letter. Here I am specifying the a to z, followed by 0 or more character, but must end with any digit. So here I am using dollar character. So before using the dollar character I am specifying 0 to 9. So 0 to 9 are the digit. So this is the pattern. So start with the uppercase letter and end with the digits.
These are some references. Thank you.